In today's video, we're going to discuss the latest on the EURUSD chart and whether or not this rally is likely to continue or if we're going to get that pullback, and also the latest on the US dollar index, the DXY. So looking at the EURUSD daily time frame, obviously the euro is starting right where it left off last week with a rally, and we're seeing the market push into this resistance area around 1.093. So you can see that back here in August, we did have these lows. We then had the highs through here. So this is a pivot right around 109.30 for the euro. Now, it does look like the market might close above this, although we still have a little over an hour left in today's session. So this could go either way. We could get the close below here to keep this intact as resistance, or we could get the close above and flip this to support for a push up here into this liquidity and potentially even sweep the highs from up here around 110.40. So first and foremost, I just want to be clear that I'm in no hurry to short the euro. Now, with that said, I can't justify buying because I don't want to buy high, especially as the market's coming into this pocket of liquidity back here around 110. Now, I can't justify buying the euro, but I also can't justify shorting it because you don't want to short strength like this and just hope that it plays out. So the best way to handle a situation like this is to look for a confirmed fake out. So for that, what I'm going to be looking for is a potential break above this 109.30 area this week and a sweep of the liquidity up here around 110, potentially even a sweep of these highs back here, followed by a close right back below this area. Now, a sustained break back below this would confirm that this up here is the fake out and give us that reversal down toward levels like 108.44 and potentially down here toward 107.60. Now, there is some sell side inefficiencies down here for the euro, and if we look at the weekly time frame, you can see exactly why. So we had a big green candle last week, right? A big breakout candle last week. And you can see that the euro did clear this area right back here, this pivot right around 108.44. So we got the close above this, which is great. However, so far this week, we have not seen much of a retracement of last week's candle. So that means that we have inefficiencies that have built up through here and especially down here in this area. And this is what I mean when I say I don't want to buy the euro, because I don't want to buy up here in this area. I want to look to buy at areas like this or this down here if we do get that pullback. All right, now let's take a look at the DXY. And by the way, guys, starting today, I did launch a Black Friday sale on the VIP group. So monthly, quarterly, and lifetime subscriptions are available for 70% off going into December. Now, the reason I'm doing this too is because I am launching the course next month. So this is going to be really the last week to get in at a discount. So if you want to join us at VIP to get daily videos, exclusive charts, see my trades in real time, including a euro yen short that I took last week and also a gold short that I took last week. So VIP members got access to that in real time. If you want all of that, guys, check out the link at the top of this video or the link in the description of this video and save 70% on a subscription to the VIP group. So looking at the DXY, this is the US dollar index. And one reason why I think we could get a pullback from the euro is because 103.50, which it's testing today, is the yearly open for the DXY. And a lot of times yearly opens like this do tend to trigger reversals from the market. Okay, so I think that this area is a really interesting one for the DXY to keep an eye on because we really didn't see much of a retracement ever since we got the break below this 105.60 area. It's been pretty much straight down for the DXY apart from a little bit of consolidation that we had here last week. So what I'm looking for from the dollar is a close around this area today, potentially sweep the lows right here around 103. Okay, so maybe we get a move down here toward this area, sweep these lows, and then from there, I'll be really interested to see if we do get a reclaim of levels like 103.50 for the push back toward 104.40 and potentially even 105. So the way that's going to translate for the euro is that the two are inversely correlated. So if we see the DXY do something like this over the coming days, right, and start to base and move higher again, then that's going to trigger a pullback from the euro. So this is one reason why I'm looking for a potential fake out from the euro because of the yearly open here for the DXY. But once again, I don't want to go out and buy the dollar until I have some conviction that a potential local bottom is in. And right now we don't have that. Right now we just have the market moving lower off of that consolidation last week. Okay, so just kind of wrapping up here for the euro. Once again, we do have a pocket of liquidity up here in this area. So just above these highs from back here in August, which the euro is starting to hit today. However, if you're looking for shorts here, in my opinion, not financial advice, but if you're looking for a short here, I think that the best thing that you can do is just have some patience, wait for the market to come up here into this area, sweep that liquidity, potentially even wicks like this clear out the highs up here and then look for a confirmed fake out above this area for a short down here toward levels like this. Okay, so 108.44, 107.60, those would be targets. Alternatively though, if we do see the euro start to base above here, right, and we don't get a confirmed fake out with that close back below levels like 109.30, and we just get the market moving higher, taking out 110.40, etc., then there's no short here. Once again, the highest conviction play in a market like this, if you're looking for a short, is to wait for a confirmed fake out, which would be a close back below 109.30. All right, that's it for today's video. Once again, if you want to join us in VIP for 70% off, see the link in the description of this video. Trade well this week, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.